Hello, good people. This is Isaac from IWM. I hope you're doing marvelously good. Today, I want to show you the process of creating a song that is meant to be in a video game. And it really has this retro sound, and I'm going to show you the process of getting that sound. And I think it really suits the purpose of being in a video game back in the 80s or early 90s maybe. So, well, let's dive in. Okay, so I'm gonna play you a short version of the song, and you're gonna hear this really retro style song type of feel that we created. Sounds like this. Okay, so as you can hear, there's a lot of instruments going on, but still they are very, very, very short in frequency range, and they are very, very in your face all the time. And how did we get that sound? Well, we manipulated the bits, and we have something on almost every track called Bit Crusher. So if we, let's say, use the drums here, the drums originally sounds like this. That's a bass going on, there's a kick. Okay, so we added this effect called Bit Crusher, and we use something called downsampling to 27, which sounds like this. So that's how we get that sound. And also we can, let's show the, okay, let's do the guitar maybe, yeah. Also the Bit Crusher on, downsampling. This is the original sound. So we really try to manipulate the downsampling. And also, let's go into one of the synths that we have. Originally sounds like this. So what this does is really to change the feel of everything by changing, in this case, the resolution from 24 bits to 8 bits, and also downsampling. Downsampling is something that also changes the pitch a lot, and you can really manipulate those knobs to get this old school video game type of sound that was, you know, originally from, let's say, a Nintendo 8-bit or something. Okay, so in total, everything goes together like this. Okay, so that was all for today. This is how you can really build this old style, retro style of the sounds. Change the bits and change the downsampling knobs if you have something similar called the Bit Crusher, as I have. Okay, so if you like what I do, please subscribe to the channel and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.